Hi everyone, thank you for coming. So I'm about to show you something incredibly cool. The video you're about to watch will show you TVs and their logo display. Okay, good. So if you're buying any product that doesn't come with logo, actually know that that product is a fake product. So guys, watch this video. Watch this video to see the original TVs and their logos. Thank you for coming. Subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's watch. Go.